Today's topic is we will learn about action word. Look, think, understand, and write. The first one is running. Running mean दौड़ना. Running mean दौड़ना. And then second one is reading. Reading a paper. पढ़ना. Playing. Playing. खेलना. Eating. Eating. खाना. Singing a song. Singing mean गाना. Sleeping. What a baby sleeping? Sleeping means सोना. Washing hands. हाथ धोना. Sitting. Sitting on the floor. बैठना. Standing with happy. खड़े होना. Standing. Jumping. उछलना. Jumping. Sweeping. झाड़ू देना. Sweeping. Buying. खरीदारी करना. Buying. तोड़ना. Breaking. Breaking. तोड़ना. Crying. Crying. रोना. Drinking. Drinking. पीना. Building. Building. मकान बनाना. Flying. Flying. उड़ना. Calling. Calling. बातें करना. Opening. Opening. खोलना. Talking. Talking. बातें करना. Smiling. Smiling. मुस्कुराना. Kicking. Kicking. ठोकर लगाना. Flying. Flying. उड़ना. Running behind corona. कोरोना के पीछे भागना. Throwing a net. जाल फेंकना. Flying a kite. उड़ाना. Running. दौड़ना. Running. दौड़ना. Looking behind. पीछे देखना. Looking. Walking on the road. Walking on the road. चलना. Sitting on. ऊपर बैठना. Sitting on. Swimming in the water. Swimming. तैरना. Thank you. Please like, subscribe and press bell icon for more information. Thank you.